What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and in this one it's an absolute game changer. I'm going to be showing you the exact steps on how I went from dead broke to being a multimillionaire in 365 days and how you can replicate my exact system in 2025 to go from being dead broke to being extremely wealthy. Let's get right into the video. So there are a few things that I want to touch upon during the course of this video that are going to be absolute game changers for anyone who is starting out in a business and has no experience. So let's go over a general outline of what this video is going to entail and a few things that you're going to need to have prepared in order to capitalize. So number one, you're going to have some sort of cell phone or computer. If you have this, half of the work is already done because everything that we're going to talk about is done online, from home, or wherever it is that you are based. It doesn't matter what country you're from, what your experience level is, you can do this as long as you have Wi-Fi and a cell phone. Number two, you're gonna need some basic technological education. Now, I'm not saying that you need to be a computer programmer or anything like that, because I'm gonna give you AI sites that are gonna allow you to do basically what a computer programmer does within a few minutes. Number three, you're gonna have to learn how to integrate AI systems. Now, this sounds kind of complicated and it's a buzzword that a lot of people use, but I'm gonna break it down into a very simple step-by-step process that's gonna get you making money as fast as possible. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, what I do is I make money online by essentially posting videos without having to use my face. Now, when I started out, I did have to use my face. It's called affiliate marketing, and I would post videos of viral products, and the more views I got, the more sales I made. So let's say I posted a video tomorrow, and it was my first video ever, and like many videos do, it went viral, got up me 100,000 views. Well, that 100,000 views would usually get me 10% of sales, which means that out of 100,000, I can get 10,000 sales. Now, if I'm making $20 in profit, which is very little compared to the products that I'm selling on 10,000 units, you can do the math on how much money I'm making. But let's simplify this process because a lot of you guys don't know how to find a product, you don't know how to go viral, and then you have no idea what it is that you're doing in general. So let's start from the very beginning. Finding a viral product is usually the hardest part for most people. So let's simplify that. We're going to use artificial intelligence to find a trending product. Now, this AI site is called viralninja.io, and it uses cutting-edge AI technology to find you those viral and trending products every single day based on the algorithms of TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So it basically searches all of these sites every single day to find the products that are going viral, the ones that are selling the most, and the ones that have the highest profitability. Now, what you're gonna do with the data that you get from Viral Ninja is head over to this amazing AI site called Calo Data. Now, Calo Data is amazing because it'll verify all of the information that you have, but give you even more in-depth information on the specific product and how you can sell it. You can find videos, copy scripts, and even use artificial intelligence to take the exact video, repurpose it for your own product. So let's say, for example, that we found our product on Viral Ninja. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna head over to Calo Data and we're gonna toggle down specifically to that product. Now it's gonna show us all of the most profitable brands that are selling that specific product. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because not only is it gonna show us the most profitable stores, but we can go into the store and look at the influencers and the videos and the scripts that they are using to go viral and make the sales. So what if we could scrape all of that data and then import it into our own business, copy the same videos, the same scripts, the same products, and even take their affiliates? How much money could we make if we went into a brand like Fashion Over, took all of their best affiliates and products and videos, redid them using artificial intelligence without ever having to show our face, and we're able to repost multiple times a day these videos that had a very high chance of going viral? Well, that number of $100,000 quickly goes up to $1 million because you're outputting more. It's all about input to output. And in the beginning, when you're starting out and you've made no money, you got to put out as much as possible without spending as much as possible. So that's how we're going to start this process. Now that we have found our viral product and we know how to promote that product, we need to start finding and building an affiliate group around our product that can really scale this thing. Now, you can use the AI model and make anywhere from 5 to 10K pretty easily every single month. Now, here's how that side of things works. Now that you find your product using AI, what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug in all the data that you got from Viral Ninja and Calo Data, and you're gonna go to captions.com. And captions.com will allow you to import all of the data that you got here import it here, and then create your own entire system and campaign around this stuff that's already working that you found on Calodata and Viral Ninja. So now you have a complete system. You have your product, you have your scripts, you have your videos. Now you're going to plug it into captions.com, and all of that data is going to matriculate in and of itself. So now you can create videos using the scripts. You could even copy and paste the exact video, put it into captions. It'll create you a identical video, but with your own AI figure. Whether you want to use your own face for the AI or use one of their models, you'll literally have an AI figure promoting your product for you. And then on top of that, you already have the viral script because you copied it from Calodata and you know that it's going to go viral. So if this creator made $100,000 on TikTok Shop using this exact script, and you plug in the exact same script with a similar product, you're gonna get the same results. If it's this easy, why isn't everyone making all this money? Well, the problem is clearly a lack of education, because before you watched this video, you didn't even know that Calodata or Viral Ninja or TikTok Shop or affiliate marketing was a thing that you could easily do from your room right now. You didn't know that. And the fact of the matter is it's so new that most people don't. And for the people who get in early enough, they are the ones who see the upside of the reward. They're the ones who essentially make all of the money. And that's the opportunity that you're looking at right now. Now that we have two sides of our business already formulated, it's time to really start going hard on the content creation. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, I'm going to use this term called content economy. And that is the economy that we're living in right now, where it's no longer a currency of dollars or gold. We're living in a content economy, where the more content and the better content and the more engagement and eyes that you get, the more valuable you are and your business is. And so in this new content economy, views are equal to dollars. The more views you can get, the more dollars you will make. And so the other amazing thing that I'm going to talk about right now using AI is that a lot of you guys say you don't have time, you have kids, you have a full-time job, you have this, you have that. You no longer have an excuse, because on captions.com, you can repurpose your content, meaning that that same video that you created, copied from that viral product, you can plug into captions and it'll allow you to schedule your posts. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2 times a day at 9 p.m., 9 a.m., and 12 a.m. You can post every single day on an automated schedule, meaning that that guy who's doing it manually and he's posting once a day, you can post 10 times a day and set up the schedule at the beginning of the month and you never have to touch it again. So everything can be automated, and that's the power of AI. Now, I'll be honest with you, in the next 3 to 5 years, AI is going to replace 95% of jobs. Computer programmers, website design, marketing, sales, image creation, script writing, Hollywood movies, all of this stuff is going to be replaced by AI. And it's already happening right now. But the amazing thing is that the little guys who didn't have the opportunity to use massive systems that these billion-dollar corporations did. See, they've been using AI for years, but now it's available to all of us, the little guys. And if we can use it now, and if you can use it like I am doing, you will be very, very wealthy. Now, this is just one part of several series that I'm going to do on how you can start to use artificial intelligence and e-commerce to turn your life around in just 1 year. This is the first segment. So if you are enjoying this and you want to learn more, simply like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure you let me know down in the comments what you want to learn about next and what you found most interesting, and I'll make sure that I include it in the next one. This is your year to get extremely, extremely wealthy, but you have to take action before it is too late, because once AI does replace, all of these hacks that I'm talking about are going to be done for. They're only going to be available for the people who got in early, people like me and the people like you, I'm hoping. So thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I'm going to be doing giveaways to my subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love.